This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to jam together on 5 chord progressions that will allow us to practice with the chords we've been learning recently. So our major 7th, dominant 7th, minor 7th, and minor major 7th chords with either a sharp 5 or a flat 5, so with altered fifths. So we worked on a little bit in the last video with some chord progressions. We're going to get some more practice here. As we do it, of course, we'll be jamming right along with bass and drums accompaniment, which is super helpful and makes it super fun. This video accompanies lesson 28 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method books. So in the book, we'll be on pages 186 and 187, playing progressions 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to do each one at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. I'm just going to use strumming patterns that are likened to what we learned from page 92 in the book. Some different options and demonstrations there for how to play with swing strumming, how to strum in the swing context. And so I'm just going to be using some of those types of things. And then we also saw some for the bossa nova. So I'll just be using some of those. I'm not going to go over strumming in those contexts. There's the videos that cover that section of the book, and we've done a lot with this. So I'm just going to break out from that sort of thing a little bit, and I may even get a little bit random in the swing ones with the rhythms that I use, which is sort of fun. And I want to kind of demonstrate that, so you can copy me exactly or you can use your own. You can also just use that 4 to the bar strumming that we've done before as well, but I want to demonstrate the more interactive, just being more spontaneous. I'm going to do that here with these chord progressions, and you can do the same sort of thing. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these together. We'll start with number 6 and go right in order, and as I mentioned, each one will happen twice per our usual, first at a slower tempo and a faster tempo. Let's do it. Okay, awesome. As we continue through the lesson series, we're going to be moving on to lesson 29 in the chords book. In lesson 29, we learn about altering the upper extensions. So flat 13s, sharp 11s, flat 9, sharp 9, that sort of thing. We can add those to the types of chords we've been playing. So we're going to learn about those in the next several videos, and we're going to play the chord progressions, of course, jam on those chord progressions that are found in lesson 29. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.